Shinde
from third year B Pharmacy.
and our college name is SPPM College of Pharmacy, Maega. So today we have prepared a model, journey of various tablets throughout the GID. Here we have showcased the various absorption sites in our GID. The first absorption window is buccal cavity, where sublingual tablets, buccal tablets and oral disintegrating tablets are absorbed. Second site is stomach, which is the most common site for many of the tablets. Immediate release tablets, proton pump inhibitors like omeprazole, iron supplements like ferrous sulfate, these are absorbed in the stomach. Next site is small intestine, where entry-coated tablets, certain antibiotic, delayed release tablets, some probiotic are absorbed in the small intestine. And next, another site is large intestine, where colon-specific drug delivery system and colonoscopy preparations are absorbed. So here we will demonstrate one by one by inserting or ingesting the tablets, and we will see which tablets are absorbed in which part. So first we will enter a non-coated tablet. Here we have ingested a non-coated tablet. Its integration or its absorption site is stomach. It will disintegrate in the stomach where the pH is 1.7. And next we will take an entry-coat tablet, which has an entry coat whose polymer is made of cap or shellac, which doesn't disintegrate in the stomach pH, that is 1.7, but it disintegrates in small intestine in alkaline pH. So the main reason for entry coat is protect the mucous lining of the stomach. In some patients, like if we take the example of aspirin, in some patients aspirin shows damage to the mucosal layer. So in that case, we give entry-coated aspirin tablet, which will not disintegrate in stomach and will disintegrate in the small intestine, where is alkaline pH. So entry-coated tablet disintegrate at alkaline pH. So we have inserted an aspirin tablet in the small intestine. It will show its disintegration here. But when we insert the same aspirin tablet in stomach, it will not disintegrate. So this is the main purpose of using an entry-coat tablet, to protect the mucous lining, also to protect the active pharmaceutical ingredients which are present in the drug, so that the gastric juice doesn't harm to the active pharmaceutical in our tablet. So this was our experiment.